Hello, friends! We're back with another fun episode of our alphabet adventure. Last time, we learned the letter A. And today, we have a brand new letter full of action and fun. Are you ready? Let's say it together. B. Ball. Let's get started. Hey, my friends, look, a new letter with Dabdobo. This is the letter B. B is for ball. Let's throw the ball, play, and say, B, ball, fun.
Wow, look who's here. B for bear. That's me. I'm Dabdobo, the friendly bear who teaches you letters. Say it with me. B, bear, our friend.
Look at this surprise. Banana. A yellow banana. I brought a yummy banana to eat and say, banana. So tasty. Wow, look who's flying around us. Bee. B is for bee, a tiny bee. The bee makes honey and loves flowers. Say it with me. Bee, busy and pretty. Wow, look over there on the sea. B is for boat, a pretty boat. The boat sails on the water and takes us to new adventures. Let's say it together. B, boat, sailing away.
And here is the letter B. B is for balloon. Let's blow up the balloon together. 1, 2, whoosh. The balloon is flying. B, balloon, fly.
Wow, that was a super fun episode with the letter B and our awesome ball. We learned that B is for ball, and the ball always brings us fun and laughter. If you liked the episode, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so we can keep learning the magical alphabet. See you in the next episode with a new letter and new surprises. Bye-bye.